this is presented by the Skirmish. And the Skirmish is put on by the Friends of the Indian King Tavern Museum. And the Indian King Tavern Museum is famous because it was in that museum that New Jersey became a state. The Redcoats were in Trenton, and the legislature was in Haddonfield at the time, meeting at the Indian King Tavern Museum, and they voted to cease being a colony and to become a state. So we've got some great roots here in Haddonfield. But most of all today, we want to recognize Jim Chris right here. He's president of the Paoli Battlefield Preservation, whatever it's fund. And you all know where Paoli is. It's somewhere across the river there. And this was a major defeat. It was a massacre. And it had a couple notable things that came out of it. But another one
his nickname from
that came out of it is the phrase ample vengeance. When people wanted to revenge this horrible battle that we lost miserably. And he'll tell you how bad we lost it. And the King's Brewery over here has a new brew called Ample Vengeance. And during the Skirmish, we have activities all over town, but in the King's Brewery, they have a Battle of the Brews, which is whoever drinks the most Revolutionary Red for the Redcoats or Ample Vengeance for the Continentals, whichever of those two brews are drunk the most that day, they win the Battle of the Brews. Huzzah!